Hello guys, a company contacted me from China which is called CABLETIME. They have sent me this excellent, yes I have already tested it, wireless MagSafe charger. In the box you have this one, which is like a tape measure. This one has a lightning contact plug, and if you take it off you get a USB-C. How nice is that? This is to charge your friend's telephone, or if you don't have the MagSafe. But if you have the MagSafe, then you have a spare charging option. This one is about 1 meter. You also get this one. This one is very nice because you have this screw-on hook which sticks to your vent in the car. Very nice, and it's working surprisingly well. You also get this one. It's what does it say? 30 watt PD charger for a USB-C for your cigarette lighter. The nice guys at CABLETIME has given me a 20% discount code. So if you press the link or type the code, you will get 20% off when you buy something from them. That's nice to know. And then, last but not least, I don't know, 60 centimeters, 80 centimeters USB-C to USB-C cable. This one you just hook into your vent and then screw it in place like this. Real nice and tight. You just connect this one. And here we go. Let's see how that looks. Oh, the camera is a little close, but okay, it's working. Fantastic, eh? And it's really strong. And then of course you have this option with this cable. And in my car, I don't have a cigarette lighter, but I have this one. As this cable is the very modern one with USB-C in both ends, because the included cigarette socket with the PD has also this USB-C high-speed socket. So I have bought this one, USB-A to USB-C. This one fits perfectly inside here, like this. Okay, then you just put the phone on, and voila, it's charging. Let's test the charging function and see how many watt this delivers. This is my Samsung phone, and that one supports, I think, 10 watt. Oops. Let's see if that is working. Okay, we can see here 10 watt. Yes, that's normal for my phone. This was the MagSafe, and let's test the cable. Now you can charge both phones with the MagSafe and the cable. So you can charge two phones at once. Let's see how that is working. Second. Fast charger. Let's see what's happening. Okay, 15 watts. That's also normal. The maximum for this charger is 20 watts, so this sounds reasonable to me. This was in. I see there was a blue light here somewhere. Aha! You can see that is a blue light when you are charging. And if I disconnect it, and it disappears. Okay, good to know. When you press the link, then you get to this page. And if you press add to card, and then it will see it up here, and you can already see the discount code is applied. So when you click view the card, here you also can see the code is already in place. When you go to checkout, you will also see discount code here. Yes, it is 27 before, now 21. Fantastic. Okay guys, that's all for me this time. This is a great product. I have been using it for 3 weeks now and it works flawlessly. Fast charger, USB, cable, USB-C to USB-C. All in the same box. You don't need to buy anything extra. Everything works straight off the box. Thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you next one. Goodbye.